Hi friend, let's focus on the wall sensor cap. The material, it is brass material. It can also be stainless steel 304 and 316. The aerator, it is a new port aerator, and the sensor is over here. For the main box, you can check here. This type, it is AC and DC. It can also be AC or DC type. For the plug, we also have different plugs for different markets, so you don't need to worry about that. This model, it is already watermarked and CE approved. If you are from other countries, please let us know what certificate do you need. For the finish, we can provide the brushed nickel, brushed gunmetal green, brushed gunmetal, brushed nickel gold, brushed ZR gold, and brushed gold, and also other finish like the polished chrome and H brass, H gold, tempo nickel, tempo ZR gold, tempo brass, matte black, satin dark bronze, satin bronze, antique brass, and brushed rose gold and tempo copper. We also have any other different finish not displaying here. Which finish do you prefer? Please click like and follow us.